Hey everybody, this is Rodrigo Izquierdo with Regal Photography.
The Intrepid Izquierdos. We are on day 12. This is a tri-state day. What? Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri.
I haven't finished my coffee, okay? I'm still waking up. And that's what we're here at Punkins
Place. Yes,
in
cheers.
Kansas. Cheers.
Woo!
Hopefully we'll be awake when we get to our next stage, which is the Rainbow Bridge, and from there we'll go all the way to Missouri. We're gonna end our day in a town full of neon signs again. Ooh. So just stay tuned. We're gonna hit another car museum and a couple more very cool things. We'll have great music. I'm not sure whose music we're gonna use today yet.
Stay tuned, it's all gonna be a surprise.
So it's coming up right now.
Galena, Kansas. We're right over the border from Joplin, Missouri. In this area, first and foremost, this really well done mural in an homage to Route 66 and historian Michael Wallis, who's done so much for Route 66.
Oh my goodness. This is a party poop. A party poop. Oh, and there's lights too?
So, I wanted a pink mid-century. This is a 1952 pink toilet. Pink and white checkerboard floor. I heated and bent wrenches for hooks for your jacket, your bags, whatever. Recycled pallet wood, diamond plate aluminum, a C-clamp and wrenches for the toilet paper. 1930 Model A Ford hood sides. The urinal's a powder-coated funnel. Those right there, these things line you up and eliminates the guesswork.
That makes sense. The struggle is real.
Gas pedal is flush. Oil drain basic with a brass gas pump nozzle. Heated a bit more wrenches to hold all that. Foamy hands up in an oil can. 1958 Ford radiator. 59 Ford valve cover. 62 Oldsmobile Starfire air cleaner cover. The swag lights are 1930s headlights. And this right here is the old continuous roll towel dispenser.
Dude, you're an artist.
I don't know, I just had goofy ideas.
Hey, that's... Best ideas come from goofy thoughts. This is... No wonder it's the most photographed bathroom in Route 66.
My mom was born in 1959 in Ottawa, Illinois. We're actually headed up that way. Joliet is right outside of Ottawa, Illinois. My mom's dream car was a 59 Cadillac Eldorado, a pink Cadillac. She said she would get one and she would travel in it. She's been gone almost 2 years next month. And we wanted to honor her, and we're bringing her ashes to Ottawa, Illinois. But I made sure that she was in her dream car. And one of her favorite things, and we called her the Wicked Witch of the West, was the Wizard of Oz. She always said, "Don't let me stick my flying monkeys on you." So we called her Wow. She said, if you flip it upside down, I'm Wow, not Mom. So we brought Mom, or Wow, in her dream car, and we found the yellow brick road. Really special find in Galena, Kansas.
Fantastic. I'm doing our
If you don't mind, I'm videoing because I'm so honored.
I'll get out of the way.
No, you're the best part of this video.
You have the best pins in your lapel. I'm jealous of the pins you have there.
Where are you guys from?
We're from San Diego. He's originally from Chile. But we're driving the entire route, so he got laid off and said, you know what, let's do he's an award-winning photographer. He said, let's do the trip of a lifetime.
Are you Are you going east?
Yes.
Yes. We start backwards.
Yeah. That's okay. It's a two-way road.
Yeah.
That's what we've heard. There's a rumor about it being able to make it the other way too.
I was told there's no wrong way, it's just the
Yeah.
entire way.
Well, that's why I like the Mater's pin, because
Yeah.
we're good backwards too.
Yes.
What a day. Kansas was 13.1 minutes of magic. What a wonderful, wonderful place. Wait, where are you going?
We're not in Kansas anymore. Oh no! Greetings from Missouri.
We made it.
Here we are. Oh, yeah! Whee! They weren't wrong! Welcome to the birthplace of Route 66. We are in Springfield, Missouri. Why is this considered the birthplace of Route 66, you might ask? Because it starts in Chicago. Well, the reason why is because local businessman John Woodruff and highway official Cyrus Avery, whose name is tied to Route 66, on April 30th, 1926, sent a telegram from the Colonial Hotel proposing the term and name Route 66. So, Springfield, Missouri, birthplace of Route 66. The Gasconade River Bridge in Missouri. Behind me, there's a fence, and it says that if you go past the fence, you risk injury or even death. This bridge is in a very fragile state. And this is something important to remember about Route 66. All of these historic pieces that mean so much to us take a lot of upkeep. It takes a huge team of people and large undertaking, heart, and just blood, sweat, and tears to go into these things to preserve them for our love, and for us to be able to enjoy them for years to come. There's a QR code behind me asking for donations to keep this bridge alive. As you can see, that's not been successful thus far. The hope is that this bridge will be available for us to walk over, to drive over, and to enjoy in the future. But for now, we can only enjoy it from a distance.